Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix control center power button not working in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start video. First of all, swipe down. This is power button. It's not working. So go back. Go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset. Now here click on reset all setting. Enter your phone key. Reset all setting. Reset all setting. It's just reset all setting. It's not delete your phone data. After the restarting, check your power button is working. Yes, it's working. So that's how you can fix control center power button is not working if in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.